The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has officially declared the Class 10 Board Examination 2026 results. Around 25 lakh students who appeared for the exams conducted between February 17 till March 11 can now access the scores through multiple platforms. The results are available on the official CBSE websites as well as on DigiLocker. Union Education Minister and Sambalpur MP Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated the Zoho Skill Hub and launched Paytm's Wisdom on Wheels at the Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology, Burla campus, along with the Veer Surendra Sai Museum, which was inaugurated in Sambalpur. Additionally, Sambalpur MP laid the foundation stone for a training and placement building and a sports complex at Visut. Bharatiya Janata Party leader Samrat Chaudhary took oath as Bihar Chief Minister. Bihar Governor Syed Ata Hasnain administered the oath of office to Samrat Chaudhary at Lok Bhavan in Patna. With this, he becomes the first BJP Chief Minister of Bihar following the resignation of Nitish Kumar. The registration for the Sacred Amarnath Yatra 2026 began today in Jammu, drawing large crowds of devotees eager to secure their place for the 57-day pilgrimage. With counters set up across the city and banks nationwide facilitating the process, the spiritual fervour is evident as pilgrims prepare to journey to the Holy Cave Shrine in South Kashmir starting July 3. India and the United States will resume bilateral trade agreement negotiations in Washington from April 20 to 22. With tariffs eased and fresh challenges emerging, the talks mark a crucial step in strengthening supply chain resilience and deepening economic ties between the two nations. A strict ban on fishing has come into effect from today, lasting until June 14. For the next 61 days, no fishing activity will be allowed in the coastal waters of Odisha. The directive issued by the Fisheries Department prohibits all types of merchandise trawlers and boats from venturing into the sea to catch fish during this period. Kolkata Knight Riders captain Ajinkya Rahane has been fined ₹12 lakh after his team maintained a slow over rate during their match against Chennai Super Kings in the IPL 2026 at Chepauk in Chennai. Noor Ahmad and Anshul Kamboj shared 5 wickets between them as Chennai Super Kings won their second match in the IPL, moving up to 4 points from 5 games and moving to 8th spot in their 10th team standing. Celebrity chef Ranveer Brar has been appointed as the official brand ambassador for Odisha's food promotion campaign. The announcement was made during a special felicitation ceremony organized by the Tourism Department in the presence of Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi. Moments after taking the oath as the state's 24th Chief Minister, Samrat Chaudhary convened a high-level meeting with senior IS officers, including principal secretaries and top officials from various departments. During the meeting, the Chief Minister issued firm directives, making it clear that the government's foremost priority would be the swift resolution of public grievances. A man accused of sexually exploiting at least 180 minor girls and recording more than 350 obscene videos has been arrested in Maharashtra's Amravati district. The accused, identified as Mohammad Ayaz, also known as Tanveer, and a resident of Paratwada city, allegedly lured minor girls into a love trap before taking them to cities such as Mumbai and Pune.